look at that sled slide. Like butter. Even for its size. How did I do it? Let's find out. Welcome to another Wood Vibes video. This session will be a short discussion about the Crosscut Sled issue I was having, and how I resolved it. There are many good full build videos out there, so I will only go through the specifics of my problem and what is different than what you see in most builds. The sled I previously made would stick when sliding, especially when the weather was more humid. Unlike the new version seen here, that is buttery smooth. So I endeavored to build this new sled that would solve this issue, as well as handle larger boards. The solution I came up with was to use aluminum T-track for the rails, which would slide well and never expand. The challenge is not being able to cut the tracks to the exact width of the table saw channels. And I will cover how I solved for that. The triangles seen throughout the video point to the edges that need alignment between the T-track and the saw table channels. Since the T-tracks are not cut to a precise fit, it is necessary to align and hold them against the outer channel edges before they can be screwed in place. Once I aligned the sled the way I wanted, I used clamps to hold the rail in place against the channel edge. Only put screws in the end holes. Then test the sliding action and make any minor adjustments needed. You do not want any play in the sled, side to side, or while trying to rotate the sled. Once satisfied, add in the rest of the screws along the tracks to secure them in place. While I was at it, I also used the T-track to make a sliding stop, with a tape measure on the back fence, and clamping points to hold material while cutting. To further increase the smoothness of your sled's slide, use wood wax on the bottom area that contacts the saw table. Lastly, always make a blade guard on the back fence, to protect your fingers. A more detailed write-up is available on the Wood Vibes website, and I'll link that in the description if you want to check it out. I'll also link the T-track and other parts used. Some may be referral links and help support the channel. Have you had similar issues and solved in a different way? What about enhancements you've made beyond the basic Crosscut sled? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. And to stay up to date with our episodes, hit the subscribe button as well.